I'd like to insert this Excel data into PowerPoint. So I'll copy the selected cells. I'm now over in PowerPoint and I'll paste that information in, but it doesn't look anything like what I had in Excel. So instead of using regular paste, I'll show you how to use Paste Special. I'll go to another slide. Those cells are still in memory, so I'll go to the drop-down portion of Paste and I'll choose Keep Source Formatting. And it's pasted it in as a table. I'll go to a new slide and I'll go back to Paste Special and I'll choose Embed. And it actually embedded an Excel spreadsheet into my PowerPoint slide. I'm on a new slide and I'll go back to Paste Special and I'll choose the picture option. And it inserted a picture of my spreadsheet. And for this final example, I'll go back to Paste Special and I'll choose the last option, which is Keep Text Only. And it inserted the data in a text box. So now you have 5 different ways you can insert Excel data into PowerPoint.